Hello friends. Do you ever get stuck in your conversations due to your lack of vocabulary? Well, we are going to solve that problem today. Let's learn a new word today. Just imagine this scenario where you're looking for your favorite shirt, but you're unable to find it. You have looked for it everywhere, but you couldn't find it. आपने चप्पा चप्पा छान मार लिया, परंतु आपको वो शर्ट नहीं मिली. So, in this scenario, what word will you use? Will you say, I have looked for that shirt? Or, I have searched for that shirt? Well, you can use either of these words, but both of them are very basic. Instead of these words, you can use a new word, that is rummage. It means to look for something or search anything that is difficult to find. So, you can say that I have rummaged through all my cupboards but I couldn't find my shirt. Let's take another example. She rummaged through all her drawers but couldn't find a pen. So, I hope you have learned a new word today and you'll be using it in your future conversations. Goodbye.